In noting and surprisingly didn't react much to was market regulator SEBI'S move to tighten know your customer norms on participatory notes has received a thumbs up pretty much across the board. CNBC TV 18's NAVIN, SHETTY and ARCHANA SHUKLA collate the big voices that chimed in with their reactions to the latest rules. Take a look.
The SEBI board's decision to tweak the norms governing P-notes to clamp down on their possible misuse has been well received. In effect, the new rules say that overseas investors who use P-notes issued by registered foreign institutional investors to invest in the Indian stock markets without registering themselves will be subject to greater know your customer norms. The new rules also mandate that P-note issuers and investors follow Indian anti-money laundering law and report any suspicious transactions immediately. The Finance Ministry says this will make life easier for both market participants and the agencies involved in checking tax evasion or money laundering.
SEBI'S decision of yesterday follows extensive, I repeat, extensive and detailed consultations and discussion with all the P-note, almost all the P-note issuers, and they have been sensitized about the requirement and they are fully on board.
The investment community is also cheering SEBI'S latest modifications to the rules. Experts say instances of P-notes being sold by a holder to a third party are rare. But the rules definitely plug any gaps in scrutiny in cases where such transactions take place.
Selling of P-note by that guy who's bought it, like suppose I buy it from Citibank, whether I will sell it. I've never heard of it. Because normally you will give it back, not give it back, but you will ask Citi to sell it. But if that is being checked, I think that is a well-deserved check. Because I can't even imagine why somebody is selling it forward to somebody else instead of, if he wants money, instead of just giving it back to the guy who issued it and asking him to sell it back in the Indian market.
So a liquidity crunch or a sharp sell-off because of these stricter rules on P-notes is pretty much ruled out. Experts add that SEBI'S decisions move Indian rules in line with global rules and bring in more transparency in the capital markets. And that's worth any hesitation a few players may have. In Mumbai with NAVIN, SHETTY, ARCHANA SHUKLA.